Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. For today, I have the Derma Co Creamy Cleanser, so let's talk about it. This cleanser is quite affordable. It is priced at 249 rupees for 100 ml of quantity. This product comes in a plastic pump bottle packaging. So as the name suggests, the texture of this face wash is very creamy. It does not foam up or lather at all. It's very gentle surfactants that they have used in this face wash. This is the complete ingredient list of this face wash. They have added very few ingredients, very short and simple ingredient list. They have added sodium lauryl sulfate and polysorbate 80 as surfactants in this particular face wash, and even the sodium lauryl sulfate comes after phenoxyethanol, which means it is used in very less concentration as compared to other supporting ingredients which are used as for moisturizing and emollient ingredients. So the other emollient ingredients that they have used is propylene glycol, which is a very good humectant added in most of the skincare products. Next emollient that they have used is cetyl alcohol, which is again added in a lot of moisturizers. It's very moisturizing and gives the skin a very soft and smooth feeling, and that is what all of the emollient does. They have added phenoxyethanol as a preservative in this particular face wash. Next emollient that they have added is stearyl alcohol, which is again used in a lot of moisturizers, and that is all from the ingredient list. Let's talk about some of the claims that they have made about this product on their website. They claim this face wash to be non-irritating, suitable for dry and sensitive skin, moisturizing and fragrance-free. They also claim that this helps in removing makeup and other impurities from the skin without stripping the skin of its natural oils. With all the claims that they have made, I completely agree with most of the claims that they have made, except the makeup part. I don't think so that this would be that effective in cleansing and effective removal of makeup. So I would suggest you to double cleanse whenever you're wearing makeup or sunscreen on your face, because this face wash is very mild and gentle, and very mild surfactants are used in it. This does work for people with dry and sensitive skin, and actually it's suitable for all skin types, but it would really work very well for people with sensitive acne prone skin and for dry skin. And I completely agree that whenever I use this face wash, it was like really non-stripping. In fact, it felt a little bit moisturized after using this face wash, and because of all of the emollients that they have added in this particular one, it does clean the face very well. It's good at that, but I wouldn't recommend you to use it as a makeup remover as well. Now if you don't like to use sodium lauryl sulfate, then you can skip this one because it does contain that ingredient. But they have but I do feel that formulation matters the most, and they have used it in a very less concentration in this particular face wash. I do agree there are some face washes with sodium lauryl sulfate that are extremely stripping and that dries out the face completely, but this particular one is different. It contains a lot of good emollients to support this face wash, and along with sodium lauryl sulfate, which is used in very less concentration, and the overall formula is very well balanced. It is non-stripping. In fact, it is a little bit moisturizing too. So after using this face wash, I did feel the face fully cleansed and moisturized to non-stripping, non-drying formula. It's a very good formula and I highly recommend. I would recommend that if you have acne prone sensitive skin, or if in case your skin has been sensitized due to some reason, you can use these type of gentle cleansers to calm your skin down instead of going for really harsh cleansers which contain very harsh surfactants. Basically, if you're a fan of face washes that form that bubbly sort of lather and that lathers up a lot, and if you like using such face washes, then you can skip this one, because this one doesn't lather up at all. While using it, it forms like it feels like a cream. It's very creamy. So overall, I feel this is a very good basic gentle cleanser. It doesn't have any added benefits, which a lot of new face washes are coming up with. Added benefits like exfoliation. Some face washes are coming up with niacinamide, salicylic acid. Even actually Derma Co has launched quite a few new cleansers with all of these added benefits, but this particular one, it's a very good basic face wash if you're looking for one. Actually, I don't expect much from a face wash, just to cleanse and to be non-stripping. and that is what this particular face wash does. Quite affordable too, so you can definitely give this a try if you're looking for a very good basic gentle cleanser. So that is all I have from the overall review of this face wash. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these reviews from the description box below. Actually, I have an entire playlist of all the cleansers that I've reviewed, so make sure that you do check that out. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.